Hello everyone, just thought I'd quickly show you what I'm doing at the moment. I've just started moulding my 3PO helmet. This helmet, as you've probably seen in my videos, is handmade. I've painted it in acrylic and polished it so it's really glossy, and I've just put a bunch of pinky seal on it. So it's fairly strong, this stuff, and I think it's probably going to be thick enough. You can still see a little bit of darkness through there, but most of the areas that I'm more concerned about are all fairly thick. I just made a bunch of little keys, but this clay that I used actually reacted with the silicone, so my keys are a little bit kind of wet, and uncured. So I'm just going to leave that for a bit. I might even just wash them with a bit of methylated spirits to clean them up, and then I'm going to stick them on here and probably just add a few more quick layers until I run out of pinky seal. But that's almost done, and then I have got some plaster gauze, so I'm just going to make a nice shell to cover this and hopefully pull a cast from it this afternoon. So I'll let you know how it goes.